If you do stay here, I recommend checking out a restaurant called Moon Smile. It's only a few minutes away, and the chef there is amazing. She's a little short Thai lady who has had a few restaurants in this area, and every time she moved from one location to another, all of her customers followed her to the new location.
What is that? Just apples?
That says a lot about her cooking skills. The menu has a crazy amount of different dishes, and she can make them all in no
Is that on
time.
the menu?
It's not the fanciest looking restaurant,
No.
but you'll want to go early because the place really fills up fast.
Only fresh.
I wish you were my chef, my personal chef.
Bill. He hates being on camera. He likes to have the camera behind him. The prices are very reasonable. In Hua Hin, food prices are up and down all over the place. The closer you get to the tourist areas, the more ridiculous the prices become. As an example, you can buy pad krapao for 50 or 60 baht in the local areas, and for the same meal, you could spend 350 or 400 baht in the areas where the tourists hang out.